Recently, we heard from a potential customer. They had a repair company out on their range. The technician arrived, billed for the time and service call, and promised to follow up with an estimate. After a week of telephone tag, she got a hold of the service company and was told the part for her product was no longer available. In an instant, her range went from a high-end appliance to nothing more than an expensive boat anchor. After venting to her appliance dealer, she was given a different number and called us only to find out that part was available and in fact in stock. She expected relief, but what she got was frustration. Why? Because she shopped for price and not for value. I'm Samantha, your AI host from Vantage Appliances, Inc. Today, we'll explore the technician's role and why their expertise, or lack of it, can be the deciding factor in your service experience. In Alberta, technicians undergo a rigorous apprenticeship program to ensure they are properly trained. This includes nearly 2,000 of on-the-job training hours combined with classroom instruction to build expertise. Appliance apprentices typically complete 3 periods of training, each requiring 8 to 10 weeks of classroom instruction. Beyond Alberta's provincial certification, there's an additional layer of qualification: the Canadian Red Seal program. This national standard ensures technicians meet interprovincial trade requirements. The Red Seal endorsement is considered a certificate of excellence in the appliance service trade. To earn the Red Seal endorsement, a technician must pass a comprehensive exam, proving they have the skills and knowledge to perform at the highest level. So, what does this mean for you as a customer? If you live in Alberta or anywhere in Canada, knowing about these standards and insisting your technician meets them can be your best protection. Without enforcement, companies can cut corners, hiring unqualified technicians to reduce costs. But when you ask about certification, request to see credentials, and demand proper training, you ensure that your service is handled by a professional who truly knows their trade. Vantage Appliances, Inc. isn't just committed to technician training, we've actively contributed to industry standards. Our founder has served on provincial advisory committees and worked as a subject matter expert for the Red Seal exam, ensuring that certification reflects real-world expertise. These experiences reinforce our belief that qualified technicians are essential in delivering exceptional service. While Canada offers strong certification programs like Alberta's apprenticeship system and the Red Seal standard, other parts of the world have very different requirements, or none at all. In the United States, technician certification isn't mandatory at the federal level, though organizations offer voluntary credentials. In the UK and Australia, formal training is required for gas and electrical appliance repairs, while across Europe, regulations vary. Many developing countries rely on informal training, where technicians learn on the job with little structured education. What does this mean for customers? If standards aren't enforced, it's up to consumers to ask about qualifications and ensure their technician has the necessary expertise. This issue has sparked industry discussions, including a recent LinkedIn article highlighting the need for better, universal certification. For a deeper dive into technician qualifications and industry challenges, check the video description for a direct link to the article. Because when you demand expertise, you don't just get a repair, you get service you can trust. While Alberta and Canada provide strong certification standards, the reality is that requirements can vary depending on where you live. That's why it's important to take control of the service experience by asking the right questions. Before scheduling a repair, ask about your technician's qualifications. Are they certified under an apprenticeship program or a recognized industry standard like Red Seal? Don't assume expertise. Request to see their credentials and ensure that your technician meets professional standards. If you're shopping for a new appliance, take service into account. Ask your retailer what kind of support is available in your area and what qualifications manufacturers require for servicing their products. Some brands prioritize trained professionals, while others leave it up to third-party companies with little oversight. In Calgary, when customers ask about service, salespeople tell us there's one clear answer: the product's serviced by Vantage Appliances, Inc. Because when it comes to expertise and reliable support, certification and ongoing training make all the difference. Thank you for sticking with us to the end. What do you think? Is the service person's training and credentials important to your service experience? Let us know. Your comments are welcome. The next video in our Price or Value series is coming soon. Please stay tuned. See you then.